Hey there, ship enthusiasts. Ever wondered how a massive ship makes its grand debut into the ocean? Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of an incredible ship launch. Picture this, a colossal vessel meticulously crafted over months, now ready to touch water for the very first time. The excitement in the air is palpable as engineers and shipbuilders gather around, checking every detail. The ship stands tall, a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. With a deep breath and a final check, the moment arrives. The ship begins its descent down the slipway, gliding smoothly towards the ocean. Water splashes mightily, creating a spectacular wave that's truly a sight to behold. It's not just a launch, it's a celebration of engineering marvels and teamwork. Watching a ship hit the water for the first time is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The craftsmanship, the precision, the sheer scale of it all. It's like watching a giant take its first steps. And trust me, the sound of that splash echoes with the promise of many adventures to come. If you're as fascinated by ships as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join me on this voyage, where we dive deep into the world of shipbuilding, maritime history, and incredible launches like this one. Don't miss any of the action. There's always something new to explore in the vast ocean of ship enthusiasm. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your passion for ships sailing strong. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss the next big splash. Catch you in the next video.